Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the accident detection system and with alert. In that particular project, if user give the input video, image, or it will also work on the webcam. And if there is any accident in that particular input, then it will identify as accident and with the classes like moderate and major accident or minor accident. And it will send the alert on that particular email ID and also got the beep sound. And there will be one more functionality. It will identify the animal as well. Like if there any cow, then it will identify as a cow, or if there any dog, then it will identify as a dog. So let's check out the project and we'll explore one by one features. Let's open the project folder and you have to run the start.py file. So let's open in terminal and then write python space start.py, then enter. Then we'll open the login page. User have to enter the username and password. So if user enter the wrong password, then it will show the incorrect username and password. So let's enter the correct password. Okay, then it will open the home page where user can select the YOLO V8 small model and the large model. In the small, it will give the less accuracy, and in the large model, right, it will give the best accuracy, and it will take little bit more time, okay, for the better accuracy, and there will be exit button. So let's check out the small model. Go for the video, open the project folder, test data, videos, and let's select this video. So it sent an alert on the email ID with the date, time, okay, and the image. So let's open that. This will send the alert on that particular Gmail ID. User provide the input video and it will identify the fire and with the critical conditions and send a alert to the email ID and with the beep sound. So let's check out the input video, whatever we have given. This will be the input video. Let's provide another input video. Open in terminal and then write python space start.py, then enter. You have to write admin and the password. Then click on the small, select any video, go to project folder, test data, videos, select that video. So in that particular video, it will identify as a accident and show as a critical and with the beep sound. So it will send a alert accident detected at particular date and the time with the image. Let's close that. Select any other image. Select any of the image and it will identify as a minor accident. Okay. So let's close that. Now let's check out for the YOLO V8 large model. So again have to run the project. Open in terminal and then write python space start.py, then enter. User have to enter username and password. So just click on the YOLO V8 large model and select any video. Let's select this video. You can provide any of the input video and it will identify that. So right now there is no accident. So it not identify as accident. So once it collide, then it will show the accident. Let's provide any other input video. So in that particular project, it will identify the animals as well as the accident. An accident will be the minor or major. Let's check out for the input image. Select any other image. So it will identify as a critical accident. Select any other image. It identifies a critical accident. Let's give one more image. So it will identify as a critical accident. Okay. So let's close this project and check out the folder one by one. So those are the images folder. Those images are using for the interface part. Let's go back. Now this will be the model folder. We are using the YOLO algorithm to paint the model. So this will be the complete training code. Let's open that file. We are importing the dataset. Display the image in Colab using the matplotlib.py plot. This will be the complete architecture. The precision confidence curve, fire, minor, moderate, no accident and severe and all classes. Confidence and precision graph, F1 confidence curve, recall confidence curve, precision recall curve. Okay, this will be the complete training code. Let's open the dataset. This will be the dataset which we are using from the universe.roboflow.com website and open the training folder. Those are the confusion matrix and other curves. This will be the confusion matrix normalized, F1 curve, labels, and will identify the accidents like severe, no accident, fire. Let's close. This will be the training folder and let's open the images. So this will be the complete training images. It will be around 1431 items. Let's scroll down. It will be the combination of the cars, accident, and the animal. So we have trained the machine learning model on that particular images. Let's go back. These are the label folder. These are the coordinates. Let's go back. Now open the testing folder. Those are the images, like 125 items are there in the testing images. This will be the label. Let's go back. Now open the output folder. Like it will identify the accident and store in the separate folder. Test data, like those are test images and videos. Dataset images. Let's open any of the image. Those are the accident images. Let's go back. These are the testing images. Those are the videos which we are giving as input. Okay, let's go back. YOLO dataset folder that will contain the classes.txt, coco.names, YOLO.cfg, and YOLO.weights. Let's open the classes.txt. So it will identify the person, bicycle, car, motorbike, aeroplane, bus, train. Those all are the classes. Let's go back. This will be the YOLO V8 folder. This is code for the animal detection. That will identify the animal as bird, cat, dog, horse, sheep, cow, elephant, deer, zebra, and giraffe. Let's close that. This will be the interface code, and this will be the send Gmail code that will send the alert on the Gmail ID. Let's close. This will be the requirement file where user have to install all those libraries with their particular versions. So this will be the complete project of accident detection system and with alert. It will detect the accidents and classify the accident like a minor, moderate, and major accident, and will identify the animal as well. And that project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used for developing the graphical user interface. And if you develop that project and add in your resume, then there will be a high possibility to get the placement. So let's end this video here. And if you're developing projects in computer science domain and got stuck in ideas, then we have prepared the project list for the computer science students. So let's open that list. So we are providing the projects in multiple technology like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. So this will be the WhatsApp number. Those are the machine learning projects. If you click on any of the title, then it will open the project working video. Machine learning, deep learning, AI, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, web development, management system, Java, Android app, cybersecurity, IoT, and many more. So if you want that particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video description. Here you can say the project list. I will share that particular list. Okay. So let's end this video here. And thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.